Hello guys, today let us develop a sample of a curved seam. To develop the sample of a curved seam, we need 2 layers of fabric. The length of the fabric is 10 inches and the width is 5 inches. Take 2 layers, overlap them together and make a rectangular block of length 6 inches and width 3 inches. After doing so, we need to do the next step, that is draw the curve on the rectangular block. The curve can be sketched with the help of a French curve, which needs to be placed inside the block such that it merges in with the lines of the rectangle. As you can see here, I've already done it for you. After doing this, we are supposed to draw another curve at a distance of ½ inch from the previous curve. Let us do it with the help of a broken line. This broken line or the broken curve that has been sketched is our cutting line, and the firm line or the previous curve is our stitching line. Let us now cut the fabric through the cutting line and stitch on top of the stitching line. After doing so, we need to start stitching this sample by stitching on top of the stitching line or the seam line. Let's place this sample underneath the machine and start stitching. Because it is a curved seam, we need to be careful while stitching along the curve. So, slowly and slowly stitch along the curve and keep turning the fabric wherever required. If you find little difficulty, then stop the machine, adjust the fabric and start stitching it again. When you reach to the end, take care that slowly you pull out the fabric and cut the hanging threads. Now is the final step of marking notches all around the curve. To mark the notches, either you can use a readily available notcher from the market and mark notches, or you can do it the way I am doing by holding the fabric, turning it, that is folding it and cutting it diagonally till the seam line and not through the seam line. The notches need to be marked all around the curve, so make sure that you mark the notches at around 1½ inches to 2 inches from each other. Notches help us give ease to the seam. Like here you can see that after marking the notches, we can easily turn around the fabric to finish the curved part of our garment. Curved seams are observed in case of a neckline like U, or a curved neckline or round neckline. It is also done in the armhole area. A curved seam is also found along the waist curve or the waistband of a garment and can only be finished by marking notches.